welcome back to a brand new video here on Wealth Academy. My name is Gibmoses, and in today's video, let's take a look at Litecoin against the USD in the shorter time frame. If you're new to the channel, a huge welcome to you. If you're looking for some accurate data, accurate technical analysis, you've come to the right place. Throughout these past couple of months, our trade calls have been right on the money. All right. If you've been taking every single call ever since, the past couple of months, 4 months ago, you should have tripled your portfolio or even quadrupled your portfolio by now. So, if you're ready for these next coming trades, you have money to play with, you're not sure what to do with it, you've come to the right place because in this video, I'm going to be analyzing Litecoin and showing you what the forecast for the coming days and weeks are going to be like. So, grab your popcorn, grab your drinks, because this video is going to get real interesting. So first thing first, I want to take a look at our harmonic patterns because as we know, harmonics give us our next major selling point. So right here, we have our 0.5 Fibonacci level. It meets our requirement for a bearish bat. Let's go ahead and measure our D point just like that. Let's get that right on the money, just like that. So right here, I'm seeing some confluence. The 886 Fibonacci level and the 2.618. If you've been in this channel, you know exactly what this means. So if you're new to this channel, that's fine. I'm going to tell you exactly what it means. Keep it in mind, okay? Because these major levels, you're going to come across a bunch of times throughout this market. So whenever price action approaches the 886 Fibonacci level and the 2.618, these are major resistance levels indicating to investors that there's going to be huge selling momentum. All right. So again, once we approach this zone right here, do expect taking their profits, closing their long positions up here. All right. So again, this is around 171 range. I'm expecting some kind of sell-off zone. However, do keep in mind, all right? Do keep in mind, there's something very, very important I want you guys to keep in mind is right now on the shorter time frame, we're building an ascending triangle, or my bad, a symmetrical triangle. So this pattern right here is basically a 50-50 pattern. Again, this is a 50-50 pattern indicating that we either go to the upside or to the downside. So how do you play this pattern? I know a lot of people are going to be asking themselves, okay, how do we know what direction this pattern is going to go towards? Well, it's very simple, guys. If it breaks above this, let's change it to yellow. If it breaks above this yellow line right over here, this would indicate to me, to you guys, of course, now that you're watching this video, that Litecoin is heading towards 171. All right. Again, that's only if price action breaks below this yellow resistance line. So, and vice versa, if we break to the downside below this red support line, this would indicate that this is no longer validated. We're not going for that 171 no more, and we're going to go to the downside. All right. And how far down, you might ask? Let's measure. So you're looking at the 161 and the 186, around 116 to around 120. Again, that's only if we break this red line. So right now, it's basically a waiting game. It's not a guessing game. Is it going to go up? Is it going to go down? So we don't know yet whether we're going to the upside or to the downside just yet until we get a clean break below this red line or a clean break above this white line. So again, it's a waiting game. The patient ones are going to be rewarded, and you're looking at about, give or take, let's find out. So give or take, once we do get that break, you're looking at 17%. All right. And vice versa, if you're looking to short, play some short positions, you're looking at 9%. This is an easy trade setup. So let me do a quick recap. That way it's completely built in your mind. You don't have to come back, watch this video, see what's going on again. So let's go ahead again. I'm going to do a quick recap. Right now, it's a waiting game. All right. You're not guessing whether Litecoin is going to go up or down. The best thing to do right now is wait and see which direction price action breaks, whether it's above the yellow line or the red line. Breaking above the yellow line right over here, around give or take 145, would indicate that we go towards 172, and vice versa. If we break below this red line right over here, our support line at around 135, breaking below that would indicate that we go towards 117. So without further ado, I'll see you all in tomorrow's video.